Good morning. My name is Dr. Sachin Joshi. I'm a CEO and founder of Greenovoc Speciality Coating Private Limited. We are essentially R&D based organization providing customized solutions to industry based on their requirement. Today, the global paint consumption is around $216 billion and is expected to grow to $300 billion by end of 2033. The present paint system used contains very hazardous components like solvents, pigments, and additives. These solvents, when they emit into atmosphere, they create a blanket over the atmosphere, causing the climate change, ozone layer depletion, and the solvents which are so hazardous that they inhaled by the people working around it end up into having the cancers and TBs and terminal illnesses. So today, the world is looking for a safe and environment-friendly coatings to address the issues of the climate change and global warming. Greenovoc Specialty Coating has put its research efforts in developing the green, sustainable coating solutions to address the challenges of the industry. So we have developed a water-based, multiple monomers coating system which will have the high performance properties as well as it has a less or zero impact on environment and human health hazards. During the paint formulations, the water emits from the film and the solid film is formed. Water is inert, it is safe, so it is absolutely no impact on environment and human health hazards. So based on the polymer molecule which we have developed, various value-added products have been developed. The product range is anti-corrosion coating to prevent the rusting of the metal. Now, rusting is a big issue. Almost $3.5 billion of product range is anti-corrosion coating, which prevents the rusting of metal components in most aggressive conditions. Second product is heat insulation energy saving coating, which saves the energy developed on the surface in peak summer. And it reduces the AC consumptions and it makes the human life comfortable. Third is the replacement of galvanizing coating. Now, hot dip galvanizing is a process where it's a very hazardous process, and we dip this metal compounds into molten zinc, which is again very costly also. So we have developed a water-based coating solution which can completely replace the hot dip galvanizing process. Then we have got a interior coating which have very high antibacterial properties. So because we are just passing the corona, people are more concerned about the hygiene. So this coating has been developed to address the issues of antifungal, antimicrobial development on the surfaces, which is very helpful for the healthcare industries and the pharmaceutical industries. Then we have got coatings for floor applications where there are very good abrasion resistance and car parkings and other things can be used. So many coatings have been developed which addresses the challenges in the industry. To showcase or to show something, this is the heat insulation coating which normally we apply on the metal roofs. This is a 3-in-1 coating. One, it gives anti-corrosion properties, it gives the heat insulation properties, and it gives the waterproofing properties. So in one go, we achieve the 3 properties. This is the antibacterial interior coating, which has a very smooth film with zero moisture absorption. So it gives excellent antibacterial properties. This is the anti-corrosion coatings, which comes in all color shades. Around 180 color shades we can supply, which gives a decoration and protection of metal structures. And this is the galvanizing coating which completely replaces the hot dip galvanizing, which exactly looks like galvanizing. Its cost wise it is almost 40% less and performance wise equal to hot dip galvanizing. So it really gives a very good environment protection. These are coatings are 100% environmental friendly and they are safe for human health, which are working around the technology. Thank you.
I represent Oisha Services. Oisha Services has been associated with Greenovoc Speciality Coatings Private Limited as a channel partner for more than 4 years. Greenovoc offers grafted copolymer technology, which is patented. Greenovoc products are eco-friendly and single component. Thus, they are very easy to use, being in a single component ready-to-use pack. These products are backed by the necessary test reports, and these products stand out in the market when compared with the other available products in the market. We have used their Polyseal, Prodecode, Sulfacool products in our projects in the past. They are working wonderfully, exceeding our expectations. Greenovoc staff is also very cooperative, professional, and well trained. They are technically sound. We wish them good luck.